Hey everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna give you a dark aesthetic tutorial video on CapCut. So here for this edit, you need to import a low exposure video and then just go to filters and go to B&W. So click on the B&W and choose Warlock. And here you can just adjust the filter into your liking and just click on the check icon and then go to polish, and here go to adjust and set the sharpen into 90 or just 100 like this, and click on a check icon. And here is the result. And for exporting this video, you need to set the quality into 1080p. So after that, just export your video. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment. And if you think this video is helpful, don't forget to click thanks, subscribe, and like. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.